Everyone, welcome to Digitron Solution. In today's video, I am going to demonstrate the working demo of the project, that is eComplaint app. So in this project there are two parts. First, eComplaint app is a complete Android application, and the second one, the website, it is for the admin. So the eComplaint Android application is developed with the two languages called XML and Java. XML for the UI interface and Java for the backend purpose. And one more website, it is developed using the Joomla PHP framework. So eComplaint Android application is for the user who want to file a complaint to the various department like HESCOM, water, police, traffic, municipal, etc. Through this eComplaint Android application, he can file a complaint. He can file a complaint, and on the other hand, as a various department admin, admin can see the sent complaint through the website, and he can or she can process the complaint using the website. So let's see how this entire project works. So first, as a user, I need to use eComplaint Android application to file a complaint. So first, I'll register or sign up as a new user through this Android application. So I'll click on this sign up button. So I need to provide all this information: username, email ID, password, etc. So Omkar 123, password, contact number, Aadhaar, and the address. And after providing all the details, I'll click on sign up button. So as a user, I registered here successfully. So after registering successfully, I need to sign in. So once again, I need to provide here registered email ID and password. So this is the registered email ID and password. I'll click on sign in button. So after login successfully, right now I am inside complaint category section, where it is showing 5 categories: municipal, police, traffic, HESCOM and water. So I need to file a complaint to HESCOM department about the high tension wire with the pole falls on tree. So I am selecting the HESCOM category. So inside file complaint section, I need to select one image. I need to upload one image. I need to describe the complaint, as well as I got one SMS OTP, 4-digit OTP, need to provide here. So first, I'll select one image. After clicking upload photo button, I'll got two options here. Take photo, choose from gallery. So I'll select choose from gallery. So I'll select here high tension wire pole image. I'll describe the complaint. So after describing the complaint, I need to provide accepted OTP through SMS. So I got here one OTP here. Your OTP is 9019. So the OTP is 9019. So after providing all three details, I'll click on send button. So complaint filed successfully. I got the toast message. So my filed complaint filed successfully means my complaint sent to the HESCOM admin section. So this Android application, e-complaint Android application, for the user purpose, this process is done. So next we will check for the admin section website part. So I'll minimize this, and here this is the smart complaint system website. As a HESCOM admin, I need to check the sent complaint for the HESCOM department. So here, as a HESCOM admin, I need to provide here username and password to login. So for a HESCOM admin, I am providing here username as a admin HESCOM, and the password is QWERTY. So after providing username password, I'll click on login button. So after coming inside, right now it is showing registered complaint 1, pending complaint 0, and process complaint 1. So I want to check the complaint. So for that, left side inside main menu, there is a third option called view complaint. I'll click on this. So here, after clicking on view complaint section, for the admin HESCOM, I got one complaint here with the image, description, date, status, and action. The status is showing right now unprocessed, means this complaint is not processed yet, and it is showing description with the date and time. So I'll take the action on this complaint. For that, I'll click on view button. So after clicking on view button, it will show entire details about this filed complaint. So with complaint ID, image, status, description inside input box, I can check the location of the filed complaint user, on from which location he filed a complaint. So for that, I'll click on view location. So on this Google map, right now it is showing one red color marker, and this is the exact location of the user. From this location, the user filed complaint and sent this complaint to HESCOM department, and below that it is showing the username as a Omkar123, phone number, and the email ID. So as a HESCOM admin, I will process this complaint, clicking on this button, process complaint. So after clicking on this process complaint button, here it is showing complaint status has been updated successfully, and the user will get one message with the ID that his filed complaint is processed successfully. Right now it is showing here, your complaint with ID 104 is processed. So user will get one message for file complaint process. So I can show on phone also. So I'll minimize this. So here on top side, sorry. So here it is showing your complaint with the ID 104 is processed. So user will get one confirmation SMS about the file complaint process. So this is the entire process about the e-complaint Android application, as well as the website for the admin. So if the user don't have the e-complaint Android application in his phone, So through this website he can register a complaint. So let's check how to register a complaint through this website. So first, as a admin ESCOM, I'll say log out. So after coming outside here, first on this inside this main menu option, last one option is there, registered a complaint. I'll click on this. So after clicking on registered a complaint, as a user I want to complain about the tree which is falls on my home and destroyed my rooftop. So I want to send complaint to HESCOM department, municipal department. So I'll write here a complaint with the user profile name. Email ID, phone number, department, municipal, MNP. I need to set the marker of my current location on my current location. So right now the marker is showing nearby Allahabad Bank. So this is my home location or exact location of the as a user. And after moving the marker inside these two input box, the latitude and longitude will also update. And complaint description, inside complaint description, I'll write some short complaint. And after providing all the details, I'll click on this submit button to send this complaint to municipal department. So using this website, as a user I can register a complaint, and the next process is same once again. As a municipal admin, he need to log in using the username and password. After that he can check the sent complaint through this website and he can process the complaint. So this is the entire process of the e-complaint application with Android application and website. So if you are interested in this project, go to the description section where you will get a link of the website. There you will get more details about this project. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.